Canada's mining story is evolving, led not just by companies, but by Indigenous communities taking their seat at the table. In British Columbia's Golden Triangle, the Tahltan Nation Development Corporation is partnering with mining corporations and government to protect traditional lands and culture. Through equity participation, full-time employment, and training, the Tahltan are shaping how mining works, combining their knowledge of land, culture, and resource stewardship with modern exploration technology. From north to south, Indigenous communities are becoming owners and leaders in Canada's mining industry, helping create more sustainable, equitable, and resilient projects. Because when Indigenous people lead, Canada's mining future grows stronger, friendlier to land, better for people, built to last. The Great Canadian Treasure Hunt continues. Learn more at treasure.northernminer.com.